Amitabha Pure Land Rebirth Mantra. The Amitabha Pure Land Rebirth Mantra can help the small foreign spirits or creatures whose death you may have caused to ascend to a higher spiritual realm. There are many chronic diseases that are related to spirituality. For example, rhinitis, asthma, and back pain are often related to a person's act of killing. Many gastrointestinal disorders, on the other hand, are related to meat diet. In addition, skin diseases are typical of karmic diseases, which are basically related to small foreign spirits. For such conditions, reciting the Amitabha Pure Land Rebirth Mantra can help. For daily recitation, you may recite 21, 27, or 49 times per day. It is recommended for all beginners to include this mantra in their daily recitation. It is recommended not to recite the Amitabha Pure Land Rebirth Mantra after 10 p.m. or during extreme weather conditions, which includes heavy rain, thunderstorms, or lightning. For more details, kindly refer to the books Introduction to Guan Yin Citta Dharma and Buddhism, Your Questions Answered.